Oh, I can finally take off this fucking mask. I'm here in my hotel quarantine station. If you watched my last video, I am quarantining in Malaysia because I just arrived from Jakarta. I'm staying in Summit Hotel USG at Subang, and I showed you guys like kind of like the rough room tour, and now maybe that now I'm settled in, I'll show you the kind of more detailed or like more of my room tour. Does that make sense? I just woke up, look at how sleepy my face is. We'll start at the bathroom. You see me right here. They really supplied me with a lot of things. They supplied me with like metal, like stainless utilities to eat so that we don't use like plastic and waste. Terus ada kayak ini. They gave us detergent. Jadi kalau mau cuci baju boleh di sini aja at your hotel because they don't provide laundry service because of COVID and stuff. Terus ada ini buat cuci piring, cuci gelas, cuci sendok, and even sponge. So I feel like they really provided good. They even gave me a toothpaste. I'm so sleepy and I'm so shocked for some reason. Like this is like not hotel toothpaste. It's like a legit brand toothpaste price. This is mine. I'm using a baby shampoo. This smells amazing, by the way. Toilet, bathtub. We got 2 towels. I've already used one. Pretty good, pretty nice, pretty white and spacious and stuff. This is like my mini station to make coffee, tea. I'm making tea right now, as you can see. They gave me like soy milk and also juice. There's like a kettle to make hot water. My small little bag. This is my lunch and my dinner. I already ate them, so it's like fresh now. My stuff. They gave us like 13, 14 or 15 liters of water. There's like 2 more right there. So it's really good that they provide us with a lot of water already in the room, and I appreciate that. These are like some menus of snacks if you want to order. We can also order room service, so that's great. This is the little station that I use if I'm going to do online classes or I'm filming videos. I brought my little ring light. How cute is this? With a little chair with bag. If this is at day, it's really nice because the sunlight is really nice in my room here. We have 2 beds, which is insane. The room is pretty big and I'm really happy. Look at how spacious. I could like work out right there. Sleep here because it's a bigger bed. My laptop right there, and so on. So far, everything is really nice. The people, the staff from the airport and to the quarantine station were very friendly, very nice. So that's really nice. Shout out to them for doing a lot of good work, and I can definitely see how tired they were, because one of them was walking with me and they were like breathing really hard. I felt so bad. Oh, by the way, I am quarantining for 7 days because I already did a PCR test before I came to Malaysia. So if my PCR test is valid, I can cut down from 10 days to 7 days of quarantining. So far, everything is good. I might vlog like a couple of days. This is only the first day. I woke up because I only slept 2 hours yesterday because my flight was in the morning. And it is 9 p.m. almost 10 p.m. in Malaysian time. I have like time zones. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat snacks now because I already had dinner. The dinner is at 6:30 p.m. It's pretty early, I know. I get hungry at night, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hello, I am back and today we're gonna vlog. I hate public vlogging, so I'm probably not gonna talk that much. We're gonna vlog. That's the point. And we're going back to Perak. So let's go. All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to say hello. Hello. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you, if I may, I like to love you, I like to love you, I like to love you, night and day, if I may. I like to
like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.